I sat up one night, all night long, just spilling water out.
This Fayette County man says he's called countless organizations looking for help with his leaking roof and broken refrigerator. He tells KDKA he's left with nothing but unanswered messages and emails.
He messaged Meghan, and KDKA consumer investigator Meghan Schiller talked to him outside his home in Mount Braddock. Meghan.
Ken and Christine, this man feels like he can't be alone. Over the years, his home's fallen into disrepair, but without the money needed for those repairs, he says he's just left to ask for help. Bags of trash fill Frank Kushak's back porch. The 66-year-old is on disability and says he needs help making his Fayette County home livable once again.
Like I said, if it weren't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all.
Kushak reached out to KDKA asking if we knew of any local organizations that could help him fix this, a roof leaking so fiercely it's raining through his ceiling.
There's times, ma'am, I'll empty them about 4 or 5 times.
He says the upstairs bathroom's roof, directly above this kitchen, needs repairs.
Look how it ruined my cupboards. It ruined everything. Only one I think is still intact is this one.
Kushak believes he can't be alone, an older person on disability and fixed income struggling to pay for costly repairs.
Please leave a message after the tone.
I reached out for Catholic Charities. I called St. Vincent de Paul, Salvation Army, and stuff. I even called Energy Assistance.
He hopes if someone hears his plea for help, it'll lead him to available resources in the community.
Oh, I'd feel great. I'd feel great, and I would live in fear as I do.
He's searching for a working refrigerator and someone in the roofing business who could offer a free consultation and advice on if his roof is even repairable. So far, a manager at one local roofing company did reach out to us for more information, and we're putting the two of them in touch. Catholic Charities tells me it doesn't have the resources to help someone in Fayette County, suggesting he reach out to Fayette County Community Action. We contacted them today, and they're going to reach out to Kushak. Now, we're also in talks with the Salvation Army as well. Ken?
We'll see what shakes out there. Meghan, thank you. If you have a consumer problem for Meghan to look into, just message her at investigators@kdka.com.